wouldn't work after winter. There's probably a little bit of bad gas in it, a little bit of old fuel in there. I put mostly fresh fuel in here and filled it up pretty good, but I finally got it working. After a few tries, it would start and then just quickly die off. I thought maybe the spark plug needed to be replaced. And this thing hasn't gotten a whole lot of use on it. This is the DB7006 model. 21-inch clearing path. It's been pretty durable in the past, but haven't used it too many times. But what I did is I took my pliers and my channel locks that I had, unhooked this fuel line, and then I blew a little bit of compressed air inside the gas tank on very, very low PSI and also into the carburetor. Sometimes that carburetor gets gummed up and stuck, so gotta let some of that old stuff burn off, and then I just let it run for a few minutes. But starts now, ready to go.